Hi, I'm Rena Montez Ellis. I'm at the Museum of the Grand Prairie, and I'm going to give you a tour of our Discovery Garden. Now, the Discovery Garden is used during the summer for our garden camps, and the kids can come out here and they can feel, they can pick, they can grow, they can taste some of the vegetables and fruits that we have available. And so let's take a look. Now, as you walk into the Discovery Garden at the entrance here, we have this great painted pathway of all the fruits and vegetables that hopefully you're growing in your garden. We have a great sea of marigolds and black-eyed Susans, along with some canna lilies. Now, during the winter time, the gardeners actually dig up all of those canna lilies and store them so that they keep safe, and then they replant them in the summertime. Discovery Garden has all kinds of different plants, and as we come in here, right away we can see some cherry tomatoes. Some are just about ready to be picked, so if you come over here, maybe you've never had a cherry tomato right off the vine, you can find a red one, or maybe even an orange one. Bring it home and let it ripen up on your countertop. Each year the gardeners try to provide all kinds of different varieties, maybe something that they've never planted before. This year I see that they have some potatoes. All these planters have some potatoes in them, so hopefully there'll be a nice bounty of potatoes. Here is a trellised cucumber plant. They have different varieties of peppers. If you can see that purple one right there. And then over here I see a little green one. Here we have a massive sunflower. And there's some pollen. I see a cucumber beetle hanging out on this leaf. You can see all that pollen that has come off of the flower. Well, there's actually another beetle up on the flower. Over here we have our strawberry patch. You can see that there are some blooms there. I already see some green strawberries, and just down the way I can see a couple of red ones. We have some wildflowers, lots of different cleomes and cosmos, bachelor buttons, looks like some baby's breath. You see a few flowers, some zinnias. Here is a carrot patch, not quite ready, but soon. If you come out here you can dig and you'll probably see the tops kind of popping out of the ground, and you'll know that they're ready. So this area of the garden is our sensory garden, and it's a chance to kind of feel, this is lamb's ear, you can feel the fuzzy leaves. And over here you can smell the different plants that we have. Here are some chives, I see some oregano and some sage and lavender, and if you just rub your hand over it, you can smell that fragrance or that scent that each plant has, that we put in our foods to make them taste better. Over here we have some dill and some cilantro. The cilantro has gone to seed, as you can see, and the dill is just a massive plant. I can see some bees on the flower tops. And over here we have another visitor. If I can come around. You can see him eating away at this dill. So soon that caterpillar will fill his belly and turn into a great big swallowtail. Maybe you've been seeing a lot of monarchs lately, or maybe you have a butterfly garden at home. You can come on out here to the Mayberry Botanical Gardens. and check out some of the other areas of our gardens. Maybe pick a tomato or two. Well, thanks for joining me.